Senate President Francis Cheese Escudero welcomed President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.'s appointment of Dr. Edwin Mercado as the new President and Chief Executive Officer, CEO of PhilHealth. Escudero says he hopes that the new PhilHealth chief will focus on ensuring that members will receive benefits that truly address their needs rather than just grant their requests. The senator also highlighted PhilHealth's long-standing inefficiencies, stating that a leadership change was long overdue. He revealed that several senators had previously called for a leadership shift due to the agency's failure to address pressing issues. Mercado replaces former PhilHealth President Emmanuel Ledesma.
Dapat sana noon pa, pero huli man daw at magaling pa rin at huli pa rin, okay lang. Tinatanggap namin yung bagong halal at piniling nominado ni Pangulong Marcos sa PhilHealth. Dapat lamang naman talaga palitan ng PhilHealth dahil sa mahabang panahon, hindi nito ginawa at tinugunan ng pangunahing pangangailangan sa kalusugan.